a photo shoot today, and my friend Maddie is coming over to do my hair. We're doing like a Kimmy K like wave style vibe, so she's gonna be here soon. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my eyes like that kind of Kim K, like brownie like colors. And the same with the lip, and she's gonna wave my hair. My hair's a little bit fuzzy at the moment. I actually did straighten this, but I have curly hair, so let's be real, it's not gonna stay. But yeah, so let's just get straight into it because I don't have heaps of time. So I'm just prepping the eye with the P. Louise base. Part of this video will be me talking and part of it will be like live talking because Maddie comes halfway through the video. So just prepping that base all over, and I'm using the Too Faced chocolate palette. This palette smells so good, like chocolate, and I was so hungry this morning. So I pretty much almost bit the palette. Fluffing that salted caramel color just as like my transition shade, so like my base shade. Just all over the lid and through the socket. Then I've got the shade in that top corner there, and then I'm just adding it on the outsides of the lid and just kind of pressing it just on the corner. I don't want to go too far in, just really on that outer corner, and kind of blending it up into the socket too as well. Corner was triple fudge. This is hot chocolate or matte chocolate, I can't remember. Anyways, that is just going to go just next to it, and it's kind of shimmery. Like this Kimmy K vibe, she kind of has shimmers. Her shadow is not always so flat. Sorry, my phone just went off. And then now I'm using that more caramelly shade that's kind of like champagne-y on the middle of the lid. So my favorite mascara of all time is obviously the Colossal Maybelline. I've literally been using this for so many years. Like, it is my favorite. Now the 184 in Model Rock, I put my lashes on. What was that weird dance I was just doing? And now I'm using the Prep and Prime for my skin. So my friend Maddie is now in it. An extension.
I'm gonna need an extension.
Okay, so probably now I need to know. Ratchet!
That thing is like the fucking grudge.
How are you?
Oh.
We're definitely putting that in. Do you want to say a bit about your business? Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's
No, I do this really good. I actually do this really good. So hey guys, welcome back to Jess, Barca Beauty. So today I'm just doing a really natural glowy look. So here you can see I'm just pressing in the powder. So we're going Kimmy K natural, like, you know, everything's gonna be quite luxe. The set is gonna be like a white sheet.
Oh my god, okay, wait. What? What is this? Look at this. Oh my god, hold on, I need to stand back from the other camera. What is this? Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, it's like so much hair. This is gonna be fucked. You know, it's pushing it up.
Good luck, girl.
You're like fucking Wog Rapunzel.
Wog Rapunzel.
Rapunzel?
Rapunzel? Rawagna.
Rawagna. Oh my god, I can't. Like, this level of hair is just like, could you imagine?
Having this hair?
Yeah. Like, for real.
So why they just put the wigs on them?
Oh, I know. That's what we need in our lives. Let's get some wigs.
Should have got like a shitty wig. Pretty. That's sort of, it feels like when people do your hair.
Really?
No one ever does my hair or my makeup.
Yeah, you're always doing everyone else. How much does that fucking suck?
And that's why I was like, this feels great.
Oh yeah, that heaps better.
Show me? I can't see.
It's just hell heaps better.
Yeah, so they want to shoot fucking water bottle next week.
That's good.
Yeah, I know, like, got a diet over the weekend now.
No, you don't.
Well, I've got Ash's baby shower and I kind of, this look is mad. How much highlight do you want? Like, it's a really Kimmy K look. Like, look at the eyes and eye colours.
Yeah, I don't mind. What do you think?
I can do a little bit. Or do you want that full glow? I feel like it's really glamorous with the glow.
Yeah, do the glow.
Okay.
When you're looking in the mirror and like you move forward, but like you think you're doing the opposite movement.
I haven't burnt myself in a long time.
Neither had I until that point, and I was like, God damn it.
Screen.
I think she might be okay. I think she'll be okay. I just think it's good to be cautious.
So just putting this highlight, the Fenty Beauty Highlight Hustler, in the inner corners of the eye and the top of the brow bone. It just helps to brighten the eye and lift the brow bone, making it appear that little bit higher. And I'm just using that same shade that I used as the transition, the Salted Caramel, underneath because I want it to be like a softer kind of look. And I've just used a tiny bit of that darker Triple Fudge color on the outside.
Stop! You're being ridiculous. If I actually find out, like, I'll unfriend you. Oh my god, he just goes, okay. They're like, literally, like, how salty. Okay.
Okay, I wasn't going with you anyway because I hate you, so it's so fine. I feel like I'm from Adam's Family. Oh my god.
Okay, more cliche.
LA girl. Chocolate. Sorry. I can't have either. And I just got the lip line, so it looks really weird.
Oh my god.
Asshole lip. Looking like a wild mermaid.
I don't even know. Have I got your hair? Is this all yours at the moment when I'm pulling?
No.
Oh. I'm like, I don't even know what I've got right now. Oh my god, don't. Did you burn yourself?
A little bit.
This look is a fucking move.
It's the vibe.
Yeah, just gotta do the front little bits and then I can...
So is this a not interesting blow off or is this a so... he thinks it's not a blow off. Vibe. I've never had my hair done. I understand why people love this now. But oh my god, it looks sick. Show you back. So long. Oh my god. What?
I think I should do one last spray.
Oh my god. Okay, so that is the end of my little video.